Hey guys, welcome to Heart and Home, where we embrace the kitchen to try and find healthier, more creative ways to eat. Today we're gonna tackle a no-bake bar. Yes, I said it, a no-bake bar. A 4-layer no-bake bar full of graham cracker, peanut butter, chocolatey, walnutty, coconutty goodness. It's a quick, easy, delicious recipe that you and your family can just scarf down or you can take to any function. Let's go. Okay, so to start, we're gonna take 2 cups of crushed graham cracker crumbs, half a cup of powdered sugar, and half a cup of melted butter. Combine all of that in a medium mixing bowl. Make sure you scrape the sides, get everything evenly distributed in there. It smells so good. If you see any big chunks that are like refusing to spread out, just go ahead and stab those little motherfuckers. So we're gonna just start scooping and packing that into the parchment lined baking dish so that that damn parchment paper will stay. Now this is pretty thick, partially because I am using an 8x8 baking dish instead of a 9x9 baking dish. You can use either or. Oops, snap. But I do like a thicker crust at the bottom of my peanut butter chocolate bar. Like, I love the graham cracker crust. It's the most slept on part. I don't understand why most people aren't talking about this. It's so good. Slightly trim these edges so they don't look so crazy, but you do want to make sure you leave a little extra room on the edges so that you can pull the bar completely out of the baking dish once it's done. All right, so right now we're going to put this into the fridge to set for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to get started on our peanut butter layer. All right, so we're going to take our shredded coconut, just a few handfuls here. And we're just gonna toast this over medium-low heat. And it shouldn't take long. It should only take about a minute. If it takes a little bit longer, just keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on the heat. Make sure you don't burn the coconut. It's at almost 500. It's over 500. Oh. This is a really quick process, so you want to make sure you keep your coconut moving. All right, so we're gonna turn that off. Okay, so we're going to attempt to beat together 1 cup of peanut butter, and half a cup of softened butter. This is clearly melted. I fucked up, plain and simple. It's supposed to be softened and not melted for a reason, but here we are. I'm just gonna use a whisk here because I'm going to also, oh my God, that is so melted. Like, it's not supposed to be like that. Hopefully this powdered sugar will save us. Thicken it up. Okay, so once it's all creamy, which it is very creamy, it looks like silk, then we're going to mix 2 cups of powdered sugar in. Okay, I don't think I'm supposed to use a whisk. Oh, it's fine. You should definitely use a stand mixer for this if you have it, but the struggle is real. So we're making do with what we have. All right, so we switched to a wooden spoon because fuck all that. That was too much for me. Okay, so Jose had to take over mixing that last little bit for me, and then to get it all silky smooth, I just dug in there with my hands. So we're just gonna make sure that everything is blended and it looks nice and smooth, kind of like Play-Doh. And then if you're using chopped walnuts, which we are, we're going to pour half a cup in there. These are very, very roughly chopped walnuts, not finely chopped. I love a walnut in a baked good, or in this case, a non-baked baked good. Okay, and once it's all in there, you're gonna evenly spread it on the top of your graham cracker crust. It should be set by now. Oh shit. That was satisfying. Now we're going to put this in the fridge and we're going to set it for about another 20 to 30 minutes. Wish us luck. So I'm going to take my semi-sweet chocolate chips. You're supposed to have about a cup. So I'm not measuring that out in Brittany fashion. I am just going to roughly eyeball about a cup. Typically, you would want to use about a tablespoon of coconut oil, refined coconut oil, but I forgot coconut oil out of everything. But I did have some Crisco sitting in my pantry, so I'm going to use about a tablespoon of Crisco vegetable shortening. Not the healthiest stuff in the world, but where there's a will, there's a way. And we're gonna put this in the microwave at 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it's melted and silky smooth. All right, so now that we've got our beautiful silky glace chocolate on top, we're gonna take our toasted coconut that we went ahead and toasted earlier, and we're gonna sprinkle that all over the warm chocolate. Kind of messy, I don't care. I'm gonna sprinkle that all over the warm chocolate before it sets, so it really gets in there and stays in there. Okay, we're going to put it in the fridge for its last set. You want to put it in there for about 3.5 hours, maybe 4. We're gonna push it overnight because we're tired and we gotta work in the morning. So see you guys tomorrow. All right, you guys, it's the next day and look at our creation. She's beautiful and she is thick, baby. She thick. Yes. Damn, that looks hella good. It doesn't really look healthy, but you know, I put less chocolate than peanut butter. I don't care. This is a guilty pleasure and I'm guilty. Okay, girl. Okay, so she's very agreeable, I must say. Oh, yes, darling. We love it. Oh, so much. Damn. Okay, let's see. Okay. It's not the straightest line, but we've discussed this. I'm just gonna go for little bites. Don't get too greedy. Look at that. Look at those layers, girl. I bet she tastes good too. Okay, let's cut the rest of these into little like bite size, like a very thick lady finger. A very thick 4-layer lady finger. Oh my god. And she was invited, oh shit, to the Great British Bake Off. All right, you guys, so I was expecting her to be like super solid, rock hard, like ice. Very smooth, very pleasantly surprised. It's time to taste her. Yes, that does make it good. Oh my god, the walnuts. Well, first of all, this is like still cold from the fridge, so it tastes like ice cream. It tastes like something you would get from Cold Stone. Very smooth bite, no resistance at all, didn't hurt my teeth. That peanut butter layer is so smooth and silky. I'm really glad I didn't do a double layer of that chocolate because I think it would have been way too much. The toasted coconut, I mean, huh. Oh, baby, gotta try this.
All right, guys, so it's my turn to try it out. I'm so excited. Let's see what's happening. That's really good, though. Like she said, it's not tough or anything like that. It's silky smooth. And every ingredient is just fire and fire. It just adds layer and layer and layer of flavor. Yeah, we killed it, man. All right, guys, that was definitely one of the ones. Make sure to follow us on our socials, like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys would try this at home. And remember, guys, a brick a day pays away. But yeah, guys, this is definitely one of the ones. I recommend that you guys try this at home. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and also comment down below what would you guys do different, or if you guys would even try it. Let us know. And that's all good. That's gonna be.
It's okay because I shook anyway.
Yeah. So I have to do the whole thing?
Yes, I shook.
Okay.
I think I need to hold it against me.
Yeah, just use your hips. All right, guys.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
All right, guys. Make sure to try this at home and let us know in the comments how it went. What would you guys add different? What would you guys do to add or do a different ingredient?